One of the questions I get asked about the most is how much cord is actually in one of these. Right here I have what I call a double bracelet. So I'm going to go ahead and take it apart to show you exactly how much is in one of these. Now when you take it apart, you're going to look for a burn end. That's how I end the rope. I burn it off. You can work it out with your fingers if you're not in a hurry. You can go ahead and cut it off with a pair of scissors if you're in a rush. I'm going to use a multi-tool, the pliers end, and just kind of work out the end. And then it's just a matter of unweaving it. Now when you get to this point, you'll see you still have another bracelet. It's basically a single bracelet, and this outer piece is well over 6 feet. It's probably a good 7 feet plus change. And now I will go ahead and disassemble the center part using the same technique, just prying off the ends. And continue to unweave. Now when you get to this point, you can see you still have another probably about another 2 foot cordage here, along with the buckle. You can use use this for all different kinds of things. So you got another 6 foot here. Just for the video purpose, I will show you the 7 inner strands of just this one. The outer one has the 7 inner strands as well, so you get all that cordage as well. But what you do to get those out, you take the ends, go ahead and cut them off. Wow. And then you can just simply pull out your 7 inner strands. And you have your original 6 foot plus 7 more, 6 foot each, and each one of these is rated for about 35 pounds, and they can be broken down further. Give you a whole lot of cordage. I'm going to go ahead and make a video, lay this all out end to end, and show you exactly how far that is. It goes a long way. Thanks for watching.